Never have I seen a nation so united than when we were rooting for Saki to take the cup. Uku mama mini valoi vashika paya vakaroka event iyi Tetezo Domkandla did not disappoint. Chidima Aita number 2. Saki came in the top 30 out of 125 countries anakuzokwanisa hake kupinda kuma finals. But anyway guys, muskana ati representer tichataura dzese ipo panapa. Welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget like and subscribe kuti hazotanga kakutaura tisati tamhoresane. But anyway, team Zimu guys, aiwa zvese was on point, and we want to thank mama mini valoi va representer kutevera ku Mexico guys, just to stand with our girls. Uko team Zimu antizoto hawo guys, wow chero vaitoita kunge ndivo ka vari kutomanya paranoi paya. Uko Mexico second runner up, third runner up Thailand, fourth runner up Venezuela. Asi chino chakanyanyisa kutora moyo yevanhu inational dress renyika guys reZimbabwe richitevekwa nera musikana Chidima. South Africa iri kuwa kurwara right now, vari mumachira. But anyway, they are happy. Vari kuti ivo miss almost avana havo kuzotora vechijanduka, havana kuzombodisappointa vabva vati aiwa hecho chimwe vari kutofara zvavo. Anyway guys, so back to the important details. Before the coronation vazomira vari two vasikana vakatarisana maziso, but anyway zvazongowirawo ku the other side. 2019 Zozibini Tunzi South Africa, a black woman, took the cup, ndobva pazoitawo umwe, then this one is the third one. So obviously yanga isingazokwanisi kuuya zvayo kuvanhu vatema, hatisi kuti chii kana kuti chii. But guys, Saki ka aiwa Saki, the owner of Miss Universe, Miss N, vakatora national dress ra Saki, and she commented on it akati vaona the marriage between art and whatever chirungu chihombe vasikana, chirungu chihombe chinogona kungondi chikora. But wow guys, the dress was out of this world. Mama mini valoi vari kuti ivo her dress symbolizes courage, royalty, majesty, power, leadership, nobility, strength, protection, wisdom, dominance, and pride. They are fierce, feisty, and dominant animals who take charge. Lions are also territorial and protect their family and kin. Most above all, lions have so much relevance in identity, not only in Zimbabwe but in Africa. I wanted an outfit that would speak and scream to my identity from afar. Ndo outfit ya mama yanga ine lion, a designer Soziniwo ndiye akagadzira outfit ya mama guys. So Mini Valoi had to leave the family and the children and to go out there and take care of the national duty. What else do you expect? Have you ever in the history of Zimbabwe had a first lady or a second lady who would leave their whatever voenda ku Miss Universe? Guys, zvakamboitika kupi? Hatidi kutaura mazita, but tine vamwe vachirana Miss Zimbabwe tikanzwa kuti vatenga marange rover, vatenga mota kuSandton, vatenga dzimba, this and that, asi hatina kuzombovaona vachimanya nema girls. But havo mama vaenda vari kuti ivo lions are territorial and they protect their family and kin, and vari kuti vanga vaenda kuno protecta musikana wedu pamwe chete relevance ye lion not only for Zimbabwe but Africa. So as she is standing right there, she was also standing on behalf of Nigeria. Guys, zvinofadza kuti Africa yapinda muma finals. Manetizens afara zvakanyanyisa vakati regardless of the outcome, Saki won our hearts. She's our queen, and to you, your beautiful team, mommy, well done. With you, the best is yet to come. You all looked beautiful. May God continue to use you. Ngendlela enhle siyaziqhenya ngawe. Well done, mama. I know the title was going to be ours. We need a fierce training house for the ladies like the one SA has, which grooms them from Miss Zim to bigger pageants, groom them in confidence, working, everything to do with the whole pageant. I'm so proud of Patashika now. Takabva kure step by step tinosvika chete. So ndo mashoko apiwa mama venyika kuti as one of the benefactors of the Miss Universe, Miss Zim nemama akadaro, she outdid herself. Guys, maona here maatire anga karohwa apo guys. Hatisida kutaura iBotswana guys. Ndoda kuita munhu mukuru ndishinge ndibatei ndisataura nyaya yeoutfit yegreen yakabva kuBotswana. But anyway, Saki, even her finals outfit was perfect. And she's also good in answering questions, but the problem is she never got a chance to get to that part of answering questions. Aiwa dene vagara vangomupa ipapo guys, taticha chitora chinoichi. Aiwa chinhu chachiri chedu because aiwa intelligence yakawanda zvachose. I think the only part yakamuwisira pasi is swimway. Paswimwe papa pakachata, but anga topinda mu top 30. But anyway guys, this is something chinoproudisa kuita kupinda mu top 30, actually like number 13 out of 100 and something countries. Wow. So back to nyaya Chidimma. As you know guys, Chidimma was taken out of Miss Universe South Africa because of her identity problem. Vakanzi aita a criminal thing, akaburitswa, this and that, and most of the South Africans vanga vakuita noise vakati havadi maforeigner makwerekwere anova representa, only for Chidimma to go to Nigeria and become Miss Universe Nigeria and represent Nigeria pa international stage yakadaro. So vamwe, as soon as Miss South Africa withdrew, vakabva kusupporta Zimbabwe. Most of them, it was so amazing guys, the love that we got from South Africa. Vakati ivo they will never stand with Chidimma. Vamwe vacho vakatorega chero kusupporta Botswana chaivo, vakati the next girl who's gonna go in is Zimbabwe. So they were actually rooting for Zimbabwe for the first time guys in the history of South Africa, kuti vanomira neZimbabwe. Wow, this is so amazing. So Miss South Africa vane speech problem. She was one of the first deaf girls to ever speak. So pavakaenda uko hazvina kunomira zvakanaka nekuti kune speed yakanyanyisa, kune mitauro inenge ichiitiwa like pane anoshandisa hearing aid and anoita lip read most of the stuff. So vanhu varikoko kwanotaura malanguages akasiyana siyana vachidi, so she failed to cope and akabva abatwa neanxiety. Havana kuda kudisclose kuti what exactly happened, but variko kuMiss Universe mapage makuru vari kutaura ivo kuti musikana was overwhelmed nespeed yanga iriko and she felt excluded ari ikokoko, zvekuti zvakabva zvaita a toll on her health, akati vaita stress ndobva azokonewa kuenderera mberi nepageant iyi. South Africans, most of them are supporting her, vakati ivo they stand with her in the whole health journey. Vamwewo vakati aiwa anga ari right as a candidate of being Miss South Africa, but pakuenda kuMiss Universe vaifanira kutsvaka munhu anogona kunomira achizvirwira. So vamwe vari kuti no, the Miss Universe in itself, it was put in place to include everyone, from black women, from the deaf, vasingakone kutaura, vane madisability. Everyone was given a chance. The founder of Miss Universe, to your own surprise, is a transgender woman aka-transitiona from being a man. And when she bought Miss Universe 3 years back, she wanted to make it a voice of the voiceless, a voice of women, whether disabled, whether black, whether white, whatever it is. You cannot transgender, cannot trans, whatever. Ndo zvavaida kuti vave vachikona kuadressa. So saying that he was excluded, it is not true. Vari kutanga aine vanhu vaifamba naye vachimubatsira zvinhu zvakawanda, but now because kwaane mafinals and vanhu vachipushana ikokoko kuti like everyone is fighting to get that crown, zvanga zvisingaenderani nestate yanga ari. So the South Africans, some of them are fine with it, others are disappointed. Vakati dene vakangorega umwe anonzi Nompumelelo, whoever it was akavapindira, but vari ku-emphasize their point. Chidimma was never going to go on that international stage and represent South Africa. Unongona kuti zviri kubva paplace yehate zvachose. Mwana uyu right now day South Africa ichimanya kuairport kunomugamuchira, it was just going to be a symbol of unity amongst Africans. That was all it was going to become. My in-house aizodiliwa now later. So guys, what do we say about parents that are married to nemama cultures? Mushona ondorora mukosa, especially wakumana wedu weku Zimbabwe, they've got all those wives like that. Okay, so kana mukazono pamwana stara kuti tinotenda machacha ariko ku South Africa haangagone kurepresenta South Africa because baba vake vanenge vari foreigner. Okay, so the story goes on and on. Vakaba ma-ID vakadi, but the bottom line is she was raised South African, so that was all that mattered. But anyway, Chidima azovadisa guys. Right now I feel kuti vanhu vatopinda mumagumbezi nebhutsu from 2 a.m. atele mundu payatanga ku gadzira premier until 4 a.m. pavatanga kufamba parunway guys. Everything was in her favor until the last minute. Short pabvunzwa mubvunzo, her answer was very short and straight to the point, but zvazongoramba wazvo. Aiwa guys, zvaendwa. South Africa, can you see someone you want to frustrate and dim a light? Congratulations Cheche, you are Miss World, not just the first runner up. Keep on shining, my African queen. So kana kukanze, yes Miss Universe, yes tobvuma kuti Denmark, but Miss Africa yose guys, aiwa Amir Ramskana. Congratulations beautiful Chichi. Africa, be proud. Nigeria, we expect the biggest welcoming turnout at the airport and later party for the Queen Chidima. Congratulations to the contestants and to a big congratulations to Nigeria. Chidima has made all Nigeria proud. Kudos to her. Congratulations South Africa for producing such a candidate. Miss SA organization, whether you are Nigerian or whatever, once you pass through South Africa's hands, you have passed it through one of the best. Yes, South Africans, we taught her well, and that's why she got her answers correct. She speaks like a South African, not heavy Nigerian. But now guys, why now do you want to say yes, she speaks South African, akagrumiwa ku South Africa? Why must not take advantage? You know, Americans, this is what they do best. Kungoona kuti unogona kumhanya, vakutokutora kuma Olympics, vakutokupa citizenship, vakutokuchaya ne flag yavo, because right now as Africa, the reason why we are failing is because we cannot stand together and raise one flag. South Africa, it was going to be two people in a very short space of time, 2019 and 2024. But anyway, we have so much hate. Even though they didn't want her to participate, she's a go-getter. Just congratulate her on her name, because she made this happen. She didn't sit back when Miss South Africa denied her to compete. Just congratulate her. No need for my long stories. Hey, akadarika South Africa. Hey, chino hazvishandi zvakadaro. She did this on her own. Ngatigareta zvibvuma guys kuti Chidima azviitira ichi ari oga. Tichinopedzisa netsamba yatanga tanyorerwa naSakizi nezuro akuyenda. You could actually feel that she was pressured, but anyway she held her head up high. Akanyora akati, dear beloved family, as I step onto the final stage of Miss Universe representing my beautiful country Zimbabwe, I look back at the journey that has brought me here. It has been a path filled with challenges, growth and unforgettable moments, and I'm overwhelmed with gratitude for each and every one of you who has supported me along the way. Your unwavering belief in me has been my fortress. Every message, every cheer, and every moment you stood by my side has fueled my spirit and inspired me to reach for the stars. I carry your hopes and dreams with me, and they shine brightly in my heart. Your unwavering belief in me has been my fortress. Every message, every cheer, and every moment you stood by my side has fueled my spirit and inspired me to reach for the stars. I carry your hopes and dreams with me as they shine brightly in my heart. To my fellow Zimbabweans, thank you for being the heartbeat of this journey. Your resilience, strength, and vibrant culture are the essence of who I am. I am proud to represent our nation, a land rich in beauty and potential. I hope to make you proud. I must also express my heartfelt gratitude to Miss Universe Zimbabwe organization. Your guidance, vision, and dedication have empowered me to shine my brightest. You believe in me, and your relentless support has been a beacon of light through this journey. Thank you for nurturing my dreams and for creating a platform that allows young women like me to rise and inspire others. to my incredible national family. Your kindness and encouragement have transcended borders and united us in a common dream. Your belief in me, despite the miles that separate us, has touched my heart in many ways words cannot express. You have shown me that love and support knows no boundary, and for that I'm eternally grateful. Together we have created a tapestry of hope and inspiration that spans the globe. As I take this moment on the stage, I promise to honor the love and support you have given me. No matter the outcome, I carry you all with me. Together we are stronger. Together we will rise. With love and gratitude, Sakile Zibusiso Dube. Ndiyo tsamba yatanyorekwa naMadube achititenda guys for standing with her for to all African countries that stood with her pakabudona vamwe vese vemama African countries and everyone standing with Zimbabwe vachiti tichanotora mukombe iwoyo guys. We are so grateful sezvataurwa naMadube guys. Imagine standing on that stage kungoendako chete guys, inini chero kungoona ndiriko kunokumba made me feel great. What more walking on that stage guys. Ka aiwa tinotarisira kanyika ketipo takapasika but aiwa kane naro zvachose. And anyway guys, we are thankful for all those people that voted. Malinga akashewa kwese kuna namadambosi maZimbabwean socialites namabloga. Tinokutenda guys for doing this for Zimbabwe for the first time, kusiyana nenyaya dzemagosipu netino tese tatakangotarisa chino one. But anyway, I think we are going to be back to business. No, cut. Hatidi kudaro. As a nation, if we unite like this, I think we can go far. Yes, as she said, if we stand together, we will achieve greatness together. Zvinodadisa kuti hatina kuti Sakila abva kuMiss South Africa kana kuti abatwa chino. Hapana drama guys, it was a clean one. Zimbabwe standing on its own, sending its own people. Vane madesigner avo, vana Ivu, vana Saziniwo, vanani. One time zvese zvikangonobuda nenzira yakanaka tisina kumbonzi kwai tiri kukumbira chinhu chemunhu. Hazvidadisi here. Together we shall rise from the ashes and kanyika aka kanozvigona. It is possible with the right mind and the right people and the unity and oneness in our hearts. We can do it. We are destined for greatness. I thank you guys for watching, and please do leave your comments about Madress Aya guys. What do you think?